Hey, so in our family, we love bread. And we were trying to find a toaster, or we've been hoping to find a toaster that was durable and toasted consistently. Not lasted for 2 or 3 months and then burned out and started burning bread or not toasting bread or the dials didn't work. And we found it. The Cuisinart CPT 180P1 Metal Classic 4-slice toaster, brushed stainless. Is beautiful. It has this way back look, but has all the little bells and whistles of today. Bagel, defrost, reheat on both sides, double slicer, matches your stainless steel appliances in your kitchen, and it's perfect. And consistently toasts. We've had this for about 6 months now, and to this day, these dials, they work to the T. Matter of fact, I've thought about writing down the numbers that I like my toast on in bagels and English muffins. It's the perfect toaster. We finally found it. So if you're looking for a nice toaster, this is it.